my name is Kylie. I am a software engineer at the Cooperative Institute for Research in Environmental Sciences. I have been supporting the Space Weather Prediction Center for about 3 years now. I have a degree in computer science from the University of Wisconsin-Oshkosh, plus a 2-year internship with my university's IT department where I was a full stack developer. I started this job directly after I graduated college. When I was going to college, I was originally a math major and I took a basic programming class and found that I love programming much more than I loved doing math. I love the problem solving. I love the thinking things through. It's almost like you're putting together a puzzle, except it's logically. And so I switched majors and I have never looked back. My typical day at SWPC involves a lot of code development, whether it's developing on a new program, working with another developer on a project, supporting a scientist in their code development needs. I do everything from writing new code, maintaining old code, researching new technologies. And I usually spend parts of my day in meetings, whether it's with my teams or other researchers, learning about whatever they're working on and what needs they have for me to get their work operational and getting their work done in our backlog. Something that people might not know about my job is that I had no prior knowledge about space weather before I was hired here to work to support SWPC. And I've been learning it ever since. As soon as I was hired, I was put through classes to try to understand space weather. I have been incredibly supported by our forecasters and our researchers as they try to explain how space weather works. And I've learned a lot about space weather through working through a lot of projects. You can't write code for something, for data you don't understand. And so every single time I work in a new project or a new model or something for our forecasters, I learn a little bit more about space weather and how important it is to our country and our infrastructure and the way that our country runs. And so you don't need to know any real science to get into these kind of tech-based things. You will learn it as you go. You have to know how space weather works to write good space weather programs.